Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video, and today's video is just a simple and easy twist out video. So for shampoo, I'm using the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine shampoo along with the Giovanni Deeper Moisture Conditioner. Now for styling products, I did want to stay in the same styling family, so I'm going to go in with the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In Conditioner as well as the Camille Rose Twisting Butter. Now prior to filming this portion of the video, I have gone ahead and washed my hair and I did condition. I didn't do a deep conditioner. I did just about a 10-15 minutes bag over the head conditioner, washed it out, and now this is how the hair is looking. Now, I call this a simple twist out because honestly, it is very simple. All I'm doing is putting the leave-in in my hair, then detangling with my Denman brush, so working my Denman brush through, then going in with my Twisting Butter by Camille Rose and just twisting my hair. Now, I'm not going to do too many twists. I'm somebody who likes somewhere between maybe 10-15 twists just because, one, I'm super simple and I don't want a lot of twists, and two, I just think that overall gives me the best curls that I like. So as you guys can notice, as I get to the ends, I do wrap my finger around the ends of the hair just to kind of create that curl at the bottom. If not, the hair would kind of look very stringy at the ends. I don't want stringy at the ends hair, so I do go ahead and twist it around my finger. I know some people do the twist and curl method, so they put a kind of perm rod at the end of their hair. For me, this just works just fine. So I think I ended up doing maybe about 15 to 18 twists this time, simply because I forgot. And as I'm watching this, I'm realizing I did start really small in the back. And that's the thing I have a tendency to do, is to start really small in the back and then say, girl, what are you doing? You ain't got time for all this. And then I progressively get bigger and bigger as I come towards the front.
You don't know. Vkillz, bad man, punch instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man, see go take you there. Pull up, bad man, finna gone away. Bad man, finna take you there.
So this is how the hair looks once I am completely done. Now for this, I'm going to actually let my hair air dry, so I'm not going to use a blow dryer this time. So now I'm going in for the Takedown, and for that I'm using, I believe it's the Main Choice Growth Oil, and I'm using that to coat my hands as I take the hair down. Of course, you need to coat your hands with oil before you do the Takedown, or else your hair will end up very frizzy. Like I said a moment ago, I did allow myself 2 days to air dry. This was actually a 3-day weekend when I filmed this, so I had time this time to let it air dry. Typically, I put it in on a Saturday, take it out on a Sunday, and it's like, please be dry, please be dry, please don't let me use a blow dryer. But this time, it was dry on its own because I did allow myself that 2 days. So for the Takedown, you do want to go slow, not very, very slow, but you don't want to go fast. I think that's an error I used to make in my past protective styles, that I would want to do it super fast because I'm like, I'm so in a rush as a person. I'm like, I got to go fast. I got places to go, people to see. And it's like, no, if you want your style to look good, take your time. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going to take my time as I unravel this, making sure that as my hair runs out of the oil, or my hands run out of the oil, that I'm putting some more oil on my hands and then going back in to unravel very slowly. So yes, this is the finished look. This is what I am giving you. Let me do a little 360 so you guys can see all throughout. I'd have to say overall, really like this. I like this a lot more than my wash and go, just because I like the definition. The curls are kind of uniform all throughout, and also I like the fact that it's a little bit longer. Had a lot of shrinkage with that wash and go. But you guys let me know what you think down below. Are you getting kind of used to seeing my natural hair out a lot more than opposed to those protective styles that I'm doing? Are you overall liking it? Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you are enjoying it. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of my content. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man,